Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable dark mode on Meetup. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open your Meetup application. Tap on profile icon on the top right corner. Tap on settings icon on the top right corner. Now onto this preferences section, tap on app theme. Tap on light in order to disable the dark mode. And that is how you can easily disable dark mode on Meetup. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment below your questions and feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming videos.